packets. In this video, I'm going to make chocolate egg nests. You will need three packets of shredded wheat that looks like this. I've already put it into a bowl. You will also need these fairy cake cases, like ones you put cupcakes in. You're going to need some mini eggs as well, some chocolate. It needs to be called, it needs to have, say, cooked. And I think you should use milk chocolate because then it looks more like nests, but you can use any type of chocolate you want. So, the first thing you need to do is you need to put the shredded wheat into the bowl and you need to crush it so all the pieces come out. Then you put the chocolate in a bowl which you put into a pan with a little bit of water and you mix it so it melts. Then you have to mix after it is finished melting, you need to mix it with the shredded wheat. Okay, so now you need to put your shredded wheat into the little cupcake cases. You can, if you use milk chocolate, you'll be able to see it better. And if you want to, you can, instead of using 3 packets of shredded wheat, you can use only 2. The same if you only got a little bit of chocolate, so then it will be more chocolatey. So you put how much you want inside, and then after you put your eggs on top like this. So after you put all your little eggs on, they should look like this. You can put them in the fridge if you want to, but we just leave them. And now they look a little bit like nests with eggs on top. If you want to, you can also use milk chocolate, which I recommend to make them look more realistic, and it tastes really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.